Should I buy or sell NIO? The report for NIO was first published on our website Friday, November 4, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since November 4, 2022, our system ranks NIO as a hold/accumulate candidate, giving it a score of -0.468. In the period the stock had natural movements but currently sit with a loss of 0% since we first recommended hold/accumulate. In our daily updates for NIO, our last headline reads, "Volatile ride for NIO stock price on Friday, moving between $10.60 and $11.69. The NIO stock price gained 17.51% on the last trading day, Friday, November 4, 2022, rising from $9.94 to $11.68. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 10.28% from a day low at $10.60 to a day high of $11.69. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 4.19% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 65 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 125 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.46 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $44.27, and the lowest price was $8.38. Right now the price is 73.62%, or $32.59, below 52-week high, and 82.56%, or $55.31, below all-time high January 11, 2021, where the price hit $66.99. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -45.03% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -63.60% and -29.92%. The 12-month trend indicates a -55.48% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -97.38% and -37.21%. This equals a price between $0.306 and $7.33 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Friday, October 28, 2022, Barclays set price target to 19. On Thursday, October 6, 2022, Mizuho set price target to 40. On Thursday, September 8, 2022, Mizuho set price target to 42. On Thursday, September 8, 2022, Citigroup set price target to 31.3. On Thursday, June 30, 2022, HSBC set price target to 28. From analysts, NIO stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for NIO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, October 24, 2022, and so far it has risen 23.6%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The NIO stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $13.66. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $10.02. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 44 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 34 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 32 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 34 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 28 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for NIO. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $10.92 and $10.63. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, NIO finds support just below today's level at $10.92. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $10.63 and $9.45. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.09 between high and low, or 10.28%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 8.96%. Next upcoming earnings report for Q3 2022 is expected to be released Nov 10, 2022. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, NIO meets first resistance at $11.75. If you do not hold NIO shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, NIO finds first level of support at $10.92, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for NIO is buy. Our recommended stop loss is $11.21, minus 4.06%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 9 days ago. Is NIO stock a buy? NIO holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 7th, we expect NIO to open down $0.357 and start trading at $11.32. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to